Good day, sir. I am Aramiki Patana, student nurse of Holy Trinity University. Now I'm going to do application of ice cap. It is a rubber bag in which pieces of ice are kept. Then the purposes of application of ice cap to reduce body temperature in cases of high fever. To reduce hemorrhage or into hematoma, then to relieve pain after blunt trauma. Then the special consideration of this application of ice cap is to refill the ice cap as soon as ice is melted. So be sure the ice cap is covered and free from leaks. Then observe for bluish discoloration and mottling of the. So the equipment of application of ice cap is first ice cap, linen cover, ice cube or cubes, then ice spoon or spoon. Then we need to wash your hands to make sure the your hands is clean. Then first procedure is break ice into pieces or desired size, like them in the bowl, like that. So water so as to remove sharp edge. Then sharp edge could be tear of rubber bag. Then then make sure your ice bag is clean. So first is clean the ice bag. Then I'm going to close the ice bag and remove the water to make sure the ice bag is clean. Then put them into bag with a spoon, add the some salt or to it. Fill the ice cap 1 to 3 to 1/2 full with ice. To adding salt to it lowers the freezing point towards to prevent discomfort with from the weight of the bag of ice bag. So I'm going to fill the ice bag using this spoon. So if you done using ice bag, place the bag at the flat surface, remove air from it. Air is a foreign conductor with heat and full interface with the removal with heat from the body surface and warm like will melt and the ice faster. Then screw on the topper lightly and over the ice cap to prevent and test for leaks which may be wet the patient and cause chilling. Dry the ice cap and cover it. Then the lining cover will absorb the condensate that forms of surface of the ice bag. Place the ice bag over the part of the cold. So cover the ice cap like that. Check periodically to see that the part does not become numb. Do not leave every young patient alone while the ice bag is being applied to the patient to ensure client safety. And I'm going to apply this in my client. Ma'am, okay lang po ba yung ice bag sa lalamig? Are you feeling relaxed or comfort? Then, check the patient temperature periodically. Avoid overcalling. Cold causes vasoconstriction and prolonged application may lead circulatory impairment. Then I'm going to check the temperature of my patient. Okay lang muna. Then after use the bag, dry it. So the temperature of my patient is 36.8. So it's okay. Then after use, empty the bag, dry it well, and from inside as well, outer, and let some into air and place it cold dry place. In plaiting the hanging, it will prevent the inner surface from the adhering to each other. Then if you done the empty the bag, then document the procedure. And I'm going to empty the bag. Make sure the ice bag is no ice. Then make sure dry it. Then no air. Then also document the procedure for legal purposes. So that's all. I'm done. Ma'am, thank you for your cooperation and God bless. Thank you, sir.